Guys, so we got this all patched up. I've already grinded it down and remade it where this has to be completely regrind down. This is still wet and tacky, but that's the second layer I've got on it, and so far you couldn't even tell it was broke when I cleaned it up the first time. So tomorrow when we get back to this, I'll show you when it's all cleaned up and the tools I've been using. I mean, it's just a temporary fix till the new transmission gets here for the Jetta, but I just use this. I got 2 links on that, and I got a grinding wheel with this pad on it. Just slightly take it off smooth, and then this is what I've been using to fix it up with. This is what I cleaned up before I layered on there too, and I just mixed all my stuff into this. So, but that is that on the Jetta's transmission. I would have probably called it good and not done a second layer, to be honest, but I kind of wanted to because I got to drive this for a few more months. And the fact when I woke up this morning that it snowed, so I'm not going to really be working on the Jetta since it's kind of covered in snow and all wet where I got to lay, and I'm not about that stuff. I don't like being cold, and I've been sick the last 4 days. That's why I haven't made a video. About a week or 5 days I've uploaded. I'm just now starting to get over it, so I figured I'd run out work on the transmission, get it all fixed and dialed in. But I got some new stuff, so we're going to be getting to it, and then soon we're going to be putting the motor in that, taking it out of the truck, put the VR6 back in that. There's a lot still to come for that. We got the built head here, all the gaskets. The head needs really cleaned up. It's been sitting for so long. It was my buddy's, so we'll see. It's got new valves and everything in it. Supposedly it's all brand new. It's got a new water pump right here. I mean, everything is supposedly new on this car, so it's pretty sweet. I'm excited for that. But we're going to get back with you guys more on this tomorrow and clean this all up and show you what it looks like. I mean, you can see what it looks like now. I'll show you what it looks like afterwards when we cleaned up and see if you guys can find the holes from the last video. Alright, just stay tuned and we'll get back with you guys. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and grind this all down and get it ready to go. Alright, so we got this all ground down nice and smooth. As you can see, you can't see the crack or the hole there anymore. Pretty nice, all smooth. You see where it's somewhat indented here, and that's not too bad. I'm not going to worry about it. I mean, I think we're golden here. I can't push it in any further. This filled up really nice. The hole is right here at the end. It's not there no more. So I think we're going to come out pretty good. I'm just going to clean up the inside of this, get the metal shavings out, put it back on the car. Probably tomorrow or something, whenever it's not snowing. Anyways, catch you guys later and see you guys in the next one.